Students, this is 199th class. Let us solve some more problems on putta method. So next question is cos root x by root x. Cos root x by root x. So right, integrate that. Solution. You write symbol. You use integration symbol, students. Cos root x. So by root x. Tell me what should be chosen for that put. How much is to be chosen for that put? This root x. You choose this root x as t because differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. We have 1 by root x enough. We don't want that to. You send that to right side. So whatever it is not required, we can send to right side. So you think like this. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. We are getting 1 by root x enough. 2 not required, send it right side. It is possible. So go for. You should not take denominator root x as t. Because differentiation of denominator root x is 1 by 2 root x. We don't have 1 by 2 root x. We have cos root x. Denominator root x t ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 1 by 2 root x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 1 by 2 root x? ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು cos root x. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ root x. ಇದು t ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 1 by 2 root x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 by root x. 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಟ್ರೈ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ root x is equal to t. Put root x is equal to t. Differentiate that put now. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root x. So differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Again go inside. X is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. So right, into dx is equal to dt. Into dx is equal to dt. So look at that question. We have, in that question, we have 1 by root x into dx. 1 by root x into dx required. Send that to right side. So that is 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 dt. 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 dt. You substitute these things in that. Putta method means changing all x terms into t. If we can able to change all x into t, so whatever the put, so we have taken, they are all 100% correct. The puts we have taken are 100% correct, right? So go for substituting in that. So right, is equal to cos this root x has been taken as t. So it's being taken as t, cos t. So right, now dx by root x is remaining. Dx by root x. How much is dx by root x? 2 dt. So write the constant to outside. So dt inside. 2 dt. 2 outside, dt inside. Now you think of integrating that. Integration of cos t is sin t. So 2 sin t plus c, that is 2 into sin, what is t? T is root x plus c. I hope you understood this question, students. So right, integration of this function is this much. Let us go for solving one more question of the same type. Next question is so tan root x by root x. So tan root x by root x. Again you follow same method, students. You follow same method. Use integration symbol. So integration of tan root x by root x into dx. Use putta method. Put so root x is equal to t. Put root x is equal to t. You differentiate that put. differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. So we don't want this 2, send it right side. Dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. Substitute these things in that. So right. So tan root x means t. Dx by root x. Dx by root x 2 dt. So 2 outside. So dt inside. So 2 into integration of tan is log secant. Tell me how much is integration of tan? Log secant. By heart. Practice repeatedly, students. You will learn. Integration of tan is log secant. Cot is log sin. Tan is log secant. Cot is log sin. Integration of tan t is log secant t. If it is log, use mod because log of any negative quantity is invalid. Even if that mod not written, it is correct. You will get marks, no problem. So you go for solving next question. So let us move on to next question, students. So right. So next question is. So root sin 2x into cos 2x. Root sin 2x into cos 2x. It's easy question. So go for integrating that. Solution. Integration of root sin 2x into cos 2x into dx. Tell me the put. So how much is to be? Which one is to be? Which function is to be chosen for t? So it should be sin 2x because differentiation of sin 2x is cos 2x. Again 2x is 2. We are getting anyhow we are getting cos 2x. Sin 2x ಅನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 2x into 2 extra ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬರಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಲಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಟಿ. ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ ಟಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಅದೇ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಚೂಸನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಟಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಪುಟ್ಟು ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಟಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್. ರಿಯಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಬೋತ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟಿ. So differentiate that. So differentiation of sin to x is sin is cos. PBA rule, power base angle rule. Sin is cos to x into one side. After differentiating sin, you think of differentiating to x. So 2x constant into function. 2 as it is. X is 1. You have dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt. Bring this 2 down. Cos 2x into dx is equal to dt by 2. Using these things, using these quantities, you try to change all these x terms into t. Go substitute in that. So sin 2x, what is sin 2x? It is t, root t. Cos 2x into dx, dt by 2. dt by 2. So right, keep that 1 by 2 outside, constant outside. Keep that 1 by 2 outside. Is there a formula? Is there a direct formula to integrate root t, students? No, we don't have. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, whereas root x cannot be integrated directly, means by using direct formula. If it is root x, to integrate that, you should go for writing that root as 1 by 2 x power n. You make this root x as x power n formula. So t power 1 by 2 into dt. Now we got x power n. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it is half into, so t power half plus 1, half plus 1. So right, 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c, 2 get cancels. Tell me final answer, students. 1 by 3 into, so t is sin 2x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So let us solve one more question. Let's move on to one more question. Cos x. Next question is, so right, cos x by, so root 1 plus sin x. Cos x by root 1 plus sin x. You tell me, put, students, we should not take cos x as t. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. We don't have minus sin x separately. Put 1 plus sin x equals t. 1 plus sin x t ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮಗೆ cos x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ cos x by root 1 plus sin x into dx. Put 1 plus sin x equals t. Put 1 plus sin x equals t. Differentiate that. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Sin x is cos x into dx is equal to dt. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Substitute in that. How much is cos x into dx? dt by root 1 plus sin x is t. Clearly it is in the form of 1 by root x. We have a direct formula. We have a direct formula to integrate 1 by root x. How much is integration of 1 by root x, students? 2 root x. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. It is 2 root t plus c. Substitute in that. So 2 root t means 1 plus sin x plus c. So 1 plus sin x plus c. So we proved, we solved. Let us go for solving one more. Next question. Cot x into log sin x. So next question is, you go for next question. Cot x into log sin x. So next question is cot x into log sin x. Says right integration symbol, students. So right solution cot x into log sin x into dx. Which one is put, students? It is not cot x, because differentiation of cot is minus cosecant square. Tan is secant square. Differentiation of tan is secant square. Differentiation of cot is minus cosecant square. So we don't have minus cosecant square. So we should not take t for this one. So then which one is t? This should be t. Put log sin x equals t. Put log sin x equals t. Put log sin x equals t. Differentiate that, students. Differentiation of log is 1 by sin x How much is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. 1 by x. If it is x, we write 1 by x. In the place of x, if it is sin x, we should write 1 by sin x. In the place of x, if it is log x, I should write 1 by log x only. Differentiation of log is 1 by sin. Sin x is cos x into dx is equal to dt. Cos by sin. Cos x by sin x, cot x into dx is equal to dt. Substitute these things in that. So write integration of log sin x. Log sin x has been taken as t. It is t for both these two. Cot x into dx dt. Now it is x power n form. X power n form. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it is t square by 2. What is t, students? Log sin x. Log sin x whole square by 2 plus c. Log sin x whole square by 2 plus c. Or this could be written as log x whole square is same as log square. Sin theta whole square is same as sin square theta, like that. You can write log square also. Writing log square also is correct. Let us go for next question, students. Next question is sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square. So solve that one more simple question. Solve that one more simple question. So write solution. So use integration symbol. Sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square into dx. Tell me which one is to be taken for put. So 1 plus cos x, because differentiation of 1 is 0, cos x is minus sin x. In that minus sin x, we have the sin x. It is correct. You should not take whole square as t. Whole square. So putting full denominator equals t is not correct. You try that. If you wish, you try that. So whatever the doubt you get, you just realize by trying that. Put 1 plus cos x equals t. So put solution. Put 1 plus cos x equals t. So that implies differentiation of 1 is 0. Cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. We don't want that minus. Send that minus right side. So this implies sin x into dx minus dt. Minus dt. Substitute in that, students. It is minus dt by t square. Minus dt by t square. We have a standard formula. 1 by x square. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Minus into minus plus 1 by t plus c. Substitute back for t. So the t is, so right, 1 by, what is t? 1 plus cos x plus c. We got the answer. We got the answer. Let us move on to next question. Let us move on to next question. So right, students. Let's go for one more question. So next question is, so right, so root tan x by sin x cos x quite a thinking problem. So you put star for this problem. You need to think a little bit more. So that means you need to practice more times. Otherwise, so these things will not come to your mind. In exam hall, you won't get into your mind immediately. More you practice, surely it becomes so easy. Right? Look at the students. Solution. So root tan x by sin x into cos x. You do one thing. You go for divide by cos x, multiply by cos x. Divide by cos x, multiply by cos x. Cos x get cancels. So we will get back sin x into cos x. We have that in the question. Divide by cos x, multiply by cos x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Now, so root tan x. So by sin x by cos x, tan x into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by cos theta? Secant theta. 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta. 1 by cos square x, secant square x. Now you write tan x as root tan x whole square. So you write the denominator tan x as so root tan x whole square into secant square x into dx. So into dx. So right, you write the tan x as denominator tan x as root tan x whole square. These two get cancelled. So write secant square x by root tan x into dx. Now it is correct stage, right step to think the put. Tell me which one is put, students? Tan x. Because differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Differentiation of tan becomes secant square x. Solve that by using putta method. Put tan x equals t. Put so tan x equals t. So this implies differentiation of tan x is secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Substitute in that. What is secant square x dx? So dt by root t. How much is integration of 1 by root x to root x? We have a formula. We have direct formula to integrate 1 by root x. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. So directly it is so 2 root x plus c. 2 root t, not x, t. So final answer is so 2 root. Tell me t value. T is tan x plus c. 2 root tan x plus c. Let us solve one more question, students. So one more question is next question is 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x whole square. 1 plus log x whole square by x. Whole square by x. You solve this. 1 plus log x whole square by x. Symbol, integration symbol. 1 plus log x whole square by x into dx. Tell me what should be chosen for put? 1 plus log x. If I choose 1 plus log x for put, so we will get on differentiating 1 plus log x, we will get 1 by x. Put, so I put 1 plus log x equals t. So this implies differentiation of 1 is 0, log x is 1 by x. 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Substitute in that. So we have taken 1 plus log x as t square, dx by x dt We got x power n form. We got x power n. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it is t power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus c. Substitute back for t. So what is t? 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. One thing I would like to tell you students, practice using meaningful steps. So equals, symbols, everything should be correct. Otherwise you lose more marks. So thank you students. Let us stop this class. So right.